O Virgin Mary, Universal Mother, bearing within you the image of every race and nation, we turn to you with hope and devotion. You who held the little Jesus in your tender arms, he reflecting all shades of humanity. Guide us towards fraternity and unity. May we see in every face the face of your Son. Recognize in every soul a divine spark, and in every heart the love that binds and ties us together. You, star of the sea, light in the darkness, inspire us to work together for peace, so that every child, like Jesus, grows in safety. Mother of all races, of all peoples, intercede for us that hatred and prejudice may cease, and a world of love and mutual respect may flourish. We pray to you, O sweet Mary, help us to build a world where peace and harmony reign, under the watchful gaze of your beloved Son, Jesus. Amen.